1975 Porsche 911 S-Targa. Price: $29,950. Location: Ohio, USA. The 1975 Porsche 911 S-Targa is more than just a classic sports car. It is a rolling piece of automotive history. At first glance, the factory special order emerald green metallic paint immediately grabs your attention, while the elegant cinnamon interior creates a luxurious contrast that perfectly reflects Porsche's timeless craftsmanship. Even after 5 decades, this iconic Targa continues to inspire collectors and enthusiasts around the world. The unmistakable Targa roof design is one of Porsche's greatest innovations, combining the excitement of open-air driving with the security of a fixed roll bar. The 911 S-Targa became an instant legend. The curved rear glass, classic Fuchs-style 14-inch wheels, chrome accents, and sleek body lines all come together to create a sports car that looks just as stunning today as it did when it first rolled out of the factory in 1975. The heart of this classic Porsche is its naturally aspirated flat-six engine, paired with a traditional manual transmission that delivers the engaging driving experience enthusiasts crave. Equipped with dual Zenith carburetors and 4-wheel disc brakes, the car represents an era when driving was all about skill, precision, and connection between driver and machine. Every shift, every corner, and every mile reminds you why the Porsche 911 has remained one of the world's most respected sports cars for generations. Inside the cabin, the vintage atmosphere is preserved beautifully. Comfortable bucket seats, a classic 3-spoke steering wheel, VDO gauges, and an analog clock transport you back to the golden age of European performance cars. Every detail was designed with the driver in mind, proving that Porsche focused on creating an unforgettable driving experience, rather than simply building transportation. One of the most attractive features of this particular example is its rare factory color combination and long-term ownership history. Special order colors like emerald green, metallic are highly sought after by collectors because they make each surviving example even more unique. Combined with its original styling cues and desirable Targa configuration, this Porsche has all the ingredients of a future collectible that could become even more valuable over time. The car is currently offered as a non-running project, making it an exciting opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Rather than seeing a car that needs work, experienced collectors see incredible potential. Bringing a classic Porsche back to life is not just a restoration project, it's preserving an automotive icon for future generations while creating something truly special to own and drive.